Hey, Steve Mignot here in Bogart, Georgia at the Tony Townley collection of just about 100 special interest cars, which will all be sold in their entirety on October 24th and 25th by Richmond Auctions. This is something kind of cool here. This is a 1956 Lincoln Premier Convertible, obviously. This one is fully loaded. Things it has in addition to the Lincoln V8, automatic transmission, power top, of course, power windows, front and rear, of course. And something kind of cool, of course, is these are dual spotlights on the right and left-hand side. These are dealer accessories, but cool to see this. There's also a mirror on this side for seeing out the back, but these are spotlights on both sides of the car, and they're fully adjustable and they're functional. Right there, kind of cool. And something kind of interesting, 1956 was the first year for Lincoln's, you might call it Batmobile styling. I'll get to that in a second. 55 was a much more conservative car, but for 1956 they have hooded headlights, emulating the look of the California customizers, which were a big deal back in the day, and of course more streamlined and longer, lower, wider as Lincoln entered the 1950s, the longer, lower, wider styling ethos. Tail fins would come a couple years after that. With that said, beautiful example of a restored version of the car. And this also has a Continental kit at the back, which is a fifth wheel, a spare tire externally mounted, and also has the Town & Country factory AM radio. So a lot to like in this car. Completely restored. The hood ornament with the golden warrior soldier fellow, he's up there on the front leading the way going down the road. The gold iridite here, the plating here, really well rendered, and a completely restored car. Beautiful example of the breed, 1956 Lincoln Premier Convertible.